breathtaking. Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Very good.
Amazing. What is your name?
Jaya.
And what are you doing today?
Oh, I'm skydiving.
No
Wasaga
way.
Beach.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
Yeah. You know.
It was your idea? All your idea, and you
Yeah.
dragged these guys
I
along?
dragged these guys along.
So how in the world did you come up with this idea?
Yeah, this was always there in my bucket list, and then there it goes.
So we're making it happen.
Yeah.
No turning back.
Not at all.
So what's going to happen is we're going to bring you to the airport, get you in a harness, make sure that harness is super duper safe. Fingers crossed, we always try our best.
Yeah.
Then we're going to take you somewhere around 10,000 feet up. Fly you over top of the world's longest freshwater beach. Go ahead, tell me where that is.
Oh, what's the price for telling you that?
Oh, it's no price, no price. Where are we?
Wasaga Beach.
Got it! The world's longest freshwater beach. You're gonna then open the door on a perfectly good airplane,
Yeah.
jump off,
Yeah.
and plummet towards that beach at around 200 kilometers per hour.
Woo!
How does that make you feel?
You're out of the world already.
You excited? All right, in your loudest voice possible, louder than those two, I want you to say no fear!
No fear!
And say, let's do this!
Let's do this!
Slipping through the days, becoming broken. Can I find myself, trust myself? I try to hold my hope and my arms open. Can I face my fears and fall through the unknown? If I search and cannot find my road to the other side, when I see no end in sight, will I lose what I left If I search but cannot find my road to the other.
All right, both hands up, all the way up. Up. Okay, now right hand down. Only the right hand. All the way. Look at the camera. All right, what do you think?
Oh, very good. Can I do that again?
Yeah, you can. So, what was your favorite part?
Yeah, being up in the air and the free fall. Saying hi to God.
What's the view like up there?
Oh, it was out of the world. It was so beautiful. Such a perfect day to skydive.
And what do you have to say to anyone who's never done this before?
Yeah, should do this. Yeah, get the fear out. Get the fear out. This is nothing.
And
This
she
is...
knows, she was scared.
Yes!
But you weren't scared when we left the plane, were you? Yeah, that's right. Skydive Wasaga Beach. No fear, baby. Yeah.